Hi and welcome to my place. I had discovered this really interesting thing the other day, and I was at a friend's and I was using her bathroom, and I came out and I said to her, oh my goodness, that smell of a freshly cut orange is amazing in your bathroom. And I then said to her that I looked everywhere to see whether she had diffuser reeds or whether it was something plugged in, and she said, no, Astar, you've got to share this with all of your viewers. It's such an easy alternative to having any clutter, or if you don't have any reeds or you don't have a diffuser and you want to have a really lovely fresh smelling bathroom toilet. This is what she does. She just gets the toilet roll, she gets some of these makeup remover pads or cotton wool pads, and then what did she say, she adds 5 to 10 drops of, I'm just going to do that like that, of essential oil of orange onto that. You could use whatever you want. And then she just sticks that into there, puts that on the toilet roll, and as you unwind the paper, you get this really fabulous fragrance. How easy is that? And why didn't I think of that? Hope that's a nice wee tip that you can take on and share with everybody else. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you another day.